President Emerson Mnangagwa's promise for title deeds to residents of Epworth and other irregular suburbs remain not legally sound and binding more than a year after the initiative was first mooted. Ashbere Moshe vanapa toona kuti aiwa the ruling party yokondema kuti iri kupa mafake promises nawo yematitle deeds yangoonekwa ngonzi aiwa iringori strategy yekungokambena nayo but hapambona kana matitle deeds anozomboti tapaground vanhu vanonzi akomanaka chiuya imwe wematitle deeds enyu aya abuda sanapinda masvika mudanyuka pana ndobva subscribe or like or turn on the bell kuti pinda pana the news okusanyora vachiti the regularization of Epworth settlement was promised by Mnangagwa ahead of the last year's August general elections, with him distributing the so-called title deeds during campaigns amid vote-buying tactics by the ruling party ZANU-PF. At least 265 residents in the sprawling suburb received what the ruling party said were title deeds for their homes, most of which are underdeveloped and built on illegally acquired land in poor Harare Southeast Peri suburb settlement. About 11,000 more residents were online to receive the controversial title deeds in a new propaganda stand on social media. Currently, ZANU-PF claims Zimbabwean immigrants are returning from South Africa due to title deeds being issued to them, while South Africans live in shanty towns. A title deed is a formal document legally defining how a property is allotted by any authority, owned and are transferred by the holder. Panapa ndo nayo yatirikuona panapa nayo matitle deeds iri kutsviridza aiwa kuvagari vemuEpworth zviri kunzi aiwa yakanga iri just a vote buying technique yakashandiswa nethe regime ichiti aiwa tichakupai matitle deeds but kunokunzi 265 chete ndo vakapiwa tarise hanzi vamwe 11,000 vese havasati vapiwa matitle deeds avo chiboiexpressai as a percentage iritori kana less than 15% kana less than 10% yevanhu vanogara muEpworth vakamira matitle deeds as promised aiwa nethe regime. Tudze mavhuro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi pinango mesection medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.